Insomnia is characterized by persistent difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or achieving restful sleep, despite having sufficient time for sleep. Insomnia affects millions globally, leading to daytime fatigue, impaired concentration, and a reduced overall quality of life. Chronic insomnia can increase the risk of developing other health problems. Stress disrupts sleep architecture by activating the sympathetic nervous system and releasing stress hormones like cortisol. High stress levels induce a state of hyperarousal, making it difficult to initiate and maintain sleep. Lack of sleep exacerbates stress, creating a vicious cycle that further disrupts sleep. Cortisol, a key stress hormone, interferes with the brain's natural sleep-wake cycle. Good sleep hygiene, including a consistent sleep schedule, relaxing bedtime routine, and optimized sleep environment, can effectively combat insomnia. Breathwork techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing, help calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, addresses underlying thoughts and behaviors that contribute to sleep problems. CBTI can lead to improved sleep quality and duration,